Good morning, Tuesday. Yeah, we missed the Monday video. I'm sorry for that. Been a quick start to the week and a hectic day yesterday. But I'm making this quickly. I've got lots to do today. And this week still is going to be very busy. But hey, we got to do what we got to do. Some exciting stuff coming up, and I really look forward to sharing some of it over the coming weeks with you. Been hard at work, a lot of stuff in the pipeline, been having a lot of meetings, so exciting stuff. Today's topic, I thought I would just throw something in there that's been bugging me for a while. As you know, well, if you follow me or if you know that I think I'm fairly active on social media, especially the Facebooks and Instagram and so on. But what's been bugging me is the way that people comment on stuff. You know, I don't know, it's like humans like to, when they write, they want to make sure everybody knows they're right and that the other human is wrong. I don't know what you get out of that and what the purpose is, or you know, I don't know what the benefit is of doing that. That happens in real life as well. I've seen how many times someone makes a mistake, doesn't properly stop at a stop street, or you know, you sort of stopped at the same time and then the other person goes and you feel that no, you stopped first, and it's all sorts of words and gestures and stuff happening. And I don't know why we tend to do that. Now, the same happens on social media. And all I want to say today is that, you know what, and I also did it. When I got on Facebook in 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, I mean, I read some of those posts today as they come up in the memories, and yes, what was I thinking? You know, just blabbing out how I'm feeling and having a good day, and this one did that, and you know, I look at it now and I'm sort of ashamed. And I'm very happy that in 2012 I made a decision not to do that anymore, to first think before I post. And I think that's an extremely important thing in social media, that, you know what, rather say nothing than say something, because once it's on the internet, you know, it's on the internet. And even if you delete stuff, there's always someone that's taken a screen grab or something. I don't know why people do that. So what I do is to first of all just, you know, the first question that I want to answer when I decide if I'm going to post something is it really necessary to say anything? Is it really necessary to comment? The second thing is it going to help anybody if I'm going to post anything? Yes or no? Okay. Then is it true? Is what I'm about to say true about me? So if I post a picture of this, me and my wife being extremely happy, is that true? Yes or no? All right. And then obviously the last thing is that, is it kind? I think it's extremely important that when you do decide to comment, so if it's true and you feel it's necessary and you think it'll help, then do it in a kind way. We don't have to be rude. We don't have to use words and all that kind of stuff. And I know there's some very, very sensitive stuff happening, and half of the stuff that irritates me even more is people sharing shit that is actually fake news. It's a big thing at the moment. Just look at the source. There's people sharing stuff from all sorts of sources that you can see that these people are busy with propaganda or just putting stuff out there that's upsetting people. So think twice, do your homework, make sure that the stuff that you're actually commenting on is true. And what you're about to say is true, it's kind, it's going to help them, and so on. So, yeah, just think about that for a bit. I don't know what your feelings are. I do understand that there's some sensitive stuff and people's got strong feelings and convictions about certain things, which is fair. I've got no problem with that. I've got my own. I just decide when I comment and if I comment what I say and then the way I say it. And yeah, so just a thought out there. I hope you have a great week. It's exciting stuff happening, week full of opportunities. You know what, just go out and get it. Watch my very first video. I think it was the first one I spoke about, the early bird. Have a look at that one again if you like. I think there's some nice content in there. But yeah, so let me not babble on. Thank you very much for watching. Please share this with your family and friends. I really appreciate it. And have a fantastic day. Cheers.